In this simulation, we're going to explore proportional derivative control of a motor's position. That's the P and D in a PID system. Now, before we go anywhere, let's take a look at this simulator. You'll notice I've put the IF4 module all the way to the right. We're going to use this as an input device to do seat of the pants tuning. So input 0 is for proportional gain, input 1 is for integral gain, input 2 is for the derivative gain. Here in the trend section, you can see I have multiple traces. Right now we're only looking at one. We're looking at the set point. And you see that the set point is toggling from index -100 to index 100. We're saying go from position -100 to position 100. And every about 10 seconds or so, we're toggling back and forth. We're now going to show where the motor is actually located. We call it position. And we can see it's at 1000, which means the motor is all the way over on one of the end stops. To get things started, we're going to go over here to our simulator, and in that first window, we'll set the proportional control to 50. Now, as soon as we do that, the motor starts moving, and you see it goes from one end stop, full power, and smashes into the other end stop. And then we see this damped oscillation. Again, not a very good system right now. Out of control, you might say. We're going to go down to the third window, and you recall PID, so this is the D term. We'll add some derivative gain. Derivative acts as a brake. So if the system is moving quickly, the derivative tends to dampen it, to slow it down. And we've done pretty good. We've gone from an out-of-control oscillating system to something that's, well, reasonably good control. It still has a little bit of overshoot. We'll see if we can fix that. We'll increase the derivative gain. There we go. That's looking much better. Yeah, much better. It's performing very nicely. Now, this might be good enough for you, or you might want something that goes a little faster. That'll have to do as an introductory video. If you have any questions or suggestions, leave them down in the comments below. Also, if you look in the description, I'll try to link in other videos that are related to this.